Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the daily market update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do also click on the subscribe button and smash notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Um Tuesday wasn't really, the market was dull on Tuesday. All right. So we couldn't really do much on Tuesday. So that's just that for Tuesday, but we have the next day too to look at. All right. So I'm here to give you an update on what the market has done so far and what is yet to happen so far the next trading day is concerned. So stay glued and make sure you watch to the end. All right. But before we get into the chart, let's look at the economic news calendar and see the news that is up for us so far as going into the next trading day as concerns. On Wednesday, February 28, 2024, we have USD goods trade balance for the month of January. We have GDP growth rate for the fourth quarter for USD. We also have retail sales month over month for the month of January for Australia. All right. So and let me just make this clear here. Among these high impact news that you're expecting to see on the next trading day, watch out for the GDP growth rate. All right, for USD. That is really the big news among all of it. All right. So the next trading day is going to be a very, very important day to watch out. All right. So that is just that for the economic news calendar for the next trading day, which is February 28, 2024. Let's delve into the chart and see what is happening. So for the dollar index on Tuesday, we didn't really see much happening. All right. Even though we saw price take out there was the previous daily low, that is Monday's low, and then we saw a closure above that low. All right. So right after price taking out this week low, we saw what a swing low formation right here. All right. So this low, and this swing low formation confirmed that I was expecting to see price push to the upside, but we had a small range day. All right. We had a very, very small range day, and so going into the next trading day, I'm still expecting to see price push to the upside. I'm still bullish on the dollar index unless proven otherwise. All right. I'm still bullish on the dollar index. So going into the next day, I'll expect to see price push to the upside. So that is just that for the dollar index. Let's go what is happening on GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, price doesn't really look pleasant to me at the moment. All right. Price action is so rough on GBPUSD. All right, because as it stands now, we are still stuck within what last week's range. All right, that is Friday's high and Friday's low. All right, so it's making things a little bit difficult for me to tell as to where price is going to move to so far as this week is concerned. All right, I want to see price move out of this range. All right, move out of Friday's high and Friday's low. Price is in between that range, which is making it very hard for me at the moment. All right, but we are still trading above Sunday's open price, and that is what an ideal scenario for bearish conditions to happen. But so far as we are still within that range, we can see this happening. All right, price can easily move up to take out Friday's high as well as Thursday's high. Then before we see a drop. All right, or price can easily move down to take out Friday's high. Sorry, to take out Friday's low. Then we see a closure above that low, then a push up. All right. So at the moment I'm still stacked. All right, not really stacked, but my arms are folded. All right, I folded my arms on GBPUSD. I just want to see clarity. All right, and I know definitely the next trading day is going to give me clarity as to where GBPUSD wants to move to. All right, so be out on the watch for that. So that is just that for GBPUSD. Let's go what is happening on AUD/USD. So for AUD/USD too, we've seen price. We haven't at the moment seen any break of structure to the upside. All right. Yes, I outlined this fair value gap in my previous daily market update, and I told you that I was expecting to see price not just filling this fair value gap, but tapping into it and then seeing a closure below it. You saw price was running through that fair value gap. All right, you saw price running through that fair value gap, and that was a violation. So if price definitely should have moved to the upside, would have seen a closure above that fair value gap before we see a push up. All right, but the moment price was run through it and run back into it again. All right, I mean, it violated to the upside and violated to the downside. So as it stands now, price is still within that fair value gap. It is still valid. All right, the fact that we violated the fair value gap, that doesn't mean that, I mean, this fair value gap is of no use again. It is still of use. All right, since price is still within that fair value gap, it is still of use. Going into the next trading day, we can see price rallying, pushing to the downside or running away from the fair value gap to the downside. All right, yes. So I'll still look out to see how price is going to react. If we should have a scenario like this going into the next trading day, we see price running back above it again, then we see a closure above the fair value gap, then we will definitely see price push up. All right, but if we should see price run to the downside from the fair value gap, then we see a closure below the fair value gap, and definitely you see price would push to the downside. So that is going to be my expectation so far as AUD/USD is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that for AUD/USD. Let's go what is happening on USD/CAD. Yeah, so for USD/CAD, we are still seeing price pushing to the upside. All right, we are still seeing price pushing to the upside. We saw price taking out this low right here. I made mention of Sunday's low, all right, in my previous daily update. So if you watch my previous daily update, you should be able to catch this short-term move, because I made it clear that I want to see price take out the Sunday's low. All right, yes. I mean, I didn't like the fact that Sunday's low was there unattacked. All right, yes, and so I was expecting to see price take out Sunday's low, and price took out the Sunday's low exactly as I was expecting. And look at something here. We had a fair value gap, all right? A fair value gap sitting right above Sunday's low. And look at what price did. It tapped into that fair value gap. Then we saw a push to the upside. So if you watch my previous daily market update, you should be able to catch this short-term move, which I think is just a scalp. Let me measure it and see. Yes, just about 40 pips. So if you watch my previous market update, you should be able to catch this move. And I mean, it's not bad. All right, 40 pips on a daily basis is not bad at all. All right, so going into the next trading day, I'm still expecting to see price continue to push to the upside. I'm still looking forward to see bullish prices so far as USD/CAD is concerned. All right, yeah, so that is just that for USD/CAD. We can't look at GBPUSD because I mean my VIP members are in a trade. All right, yes, even though we are in a drawdown, but I mean, you see what happened. But I can show you. I mean, I can't open GBPUSD for now. All right, because I mean, it wouldn't be fair on my side to do that to my VIP members. That is why I said, if you want to join my VIP group, hit me up on Telegram. My ID is in the description box below. Get it and hit me up. All right, because I mean, we are really doing fireworks in the VIP. All right, we are doing fireworks in the VIP. If you didn't watch the daily update I posted previously, I made things clear that just GBPJPY for the month of February alone, we have amassed 426 pips on GBPJPY alone. All right, just for the month of February. We just started the year. The year is still young. All right, the year is still young. So if we've been able to amass 426 pips for GBPJPY alone in the month of February, then you should know what is up for us so far as the rest of the month in the year 2024 is concerned. So if you haven't joined a VIP room, you are missing a lot. All right, you are missing a lot, and it's not too late. All right, it's not too late to sign up for the VIP room. So just hit me up on Telegram and let's keep things rolling. All right, yeah. So that is just that. I can show you. I can't review GBPJPY for now, as well as EURJPY. All right, so let's go straight into the market of gold and see what is happening in there. Yeah, so for gold, I made things clear that so far as I'm bullish on the dollar index, then I'll look out to see. I'm expecting to see price what to push the downside on gold. But as it stands now, gold is still within the range of Friday. All right, gold is still trading within Friday's range. We have Friday's high kept intact, Friday's low kept intact. All right, and whenever scenarios like this unfold, or whenever scenarios like this is happening, I mean, I have no choice than to fold my arms and then wait. All right, I need to see one side of the liquidity taken out. All right, so if I'm expecting to see price push to the upside, I need to see Friday's low taken out, and not just taken out, I need to see a closure. All right, a closure above that low right after price being taken out. Then I'll look for you to see price push to the upside. If I'm expecting to see price push to the downside, then I need to see Friday's high taken out, a closure below Friday's high, and then I'll start looking for selling opportunities. All right, yeah. So that is just that for the market of gold. For NASDAQ, I made it out yesterday that I'm not really seeing things clear at the moment. All right, yes, I'm not really seeing things so clear at the moment on NASDAQ. All right, but so far as I'm bullish on the dollar index, then definitely I'm expecting to see a drop in NASDAQ. But as it stands now, price is not so clear at the moment. All right, price is not so clear at the moment. So on a 4-hour time frame, what to watch out for is this low right here. All right, if we are able, or if price is able to take out, I'm coming. Let me redraw it again. If price is able to take out this low right here, all right, price is able to take out this low, so something like this, I want to see price. If price will push it to the downside, which I'm expecting it to, I want to see price take out this low and then close below it for what? For a sell opportunity to the downside to take out this swing low right here. All right, remember we are still above February's opening price, and that is what an ideal scenario to be looking forward for bearish opportunities or bearish conditions. All right, yeah. So that is just that so far as NASDAQ is concerned. Yeah. So that is just that for the daily market update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, to do what, to click on the subscribe button and smash notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. My VIP room too is still open. Just hit me up on Telegram and then sign up for my VIP room, and trust me, you won't regret signing up or getting yourself into or finding your way into that VIP room. Trust me, you are really doing a lot in there that you should be part of it. All right, yeah. So that is just that for the daily market update. I'll come your way again another time. Peace.